Welcome to Martinique. Martinique is a rugged Caribbean island that is a part of the Lesser Antilles. An overseas region of France, its culture reflects distinguished blend of French and West Indian influence. This beautiful island features steep hills, narrow streets, and la savane. My name is François and I will be your tour guide during this video. This is lovely Oisin with baby David and her husband. They are staying at a residence submarine located in Le Diamant. The water in Martinique is very clear and very blue. You get to see also the view of the mountain from here, and the hotel has a nice view of the Le Roche du Diamant. Now they are at the restaurant La Sirène, located in Trois-Îlettes. Trois-Îlettes is a very touristic area. I see Oisin enjoying our famous dish Vivano. It's known as red snapper fish. It's a grilled fish with seasoning on top. Martinique is known for their seafood and their famous drink Le Planteur. It is made out of rum and mixed fruits. Right now we are at Lance-de-Lande. It's located in the south. There are many beautiful bays around the island to take pictures. It's a non-stop picturesque, my friend. This is my favorite beach in Martinique because of the view and because it's not very crowded. Right now we are at St. Pouce in an infinity pool that is located in the Caribbean Hotel. As you could see, everywhere in Martinique, each beaches have its own characteristic, different beauty everywhere. Run, Oisin, have fun. Don't ask me why is she running. I guess she stayed too long under the sun. The Château du Bac is located at the end of the peninsula of Caravelle, overlooking the beautiful Bay du Trésor. It is located on the east side of the island. Today there are few ruins scattered around the park. The property used to be in the 18th century for the rich and the powerful family du Bac. Finally, the famous Chaline. We had many expectations about this place, but at the end of the line we did not like it very much. The food was pretty good. It was very crowded. Right now you could see Oisin is eating Colombo chicken. David is eating plastic. The currency in Martinique is euros, since it's colonized by France. The roads in Martinique is very narrow. This location we are at right now is in the north. It's called Makuba. There are big waves. It's known for surfers. We are at the Church of Notre Dame in Saint-Pierre, the city that had been wiped off by the volcano in 1902. You could see a beautiful waterfall. There are many waterfalls around this area. As you could see, this island is very lush and green. This is the view at Mont Pelé. We are actually in the clouds, almost halfway up the hotels. This is one of the closest points to the mountain Mont Pelé. This is the mountain that has actually erupted and killed many people. Actually everybody. You could see at certain points it's very unpredictable here. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it doesn't. It changes all the time. A lot of people try hiking and they give up because in the middle there's too many clouds and you cannot see anything. This is the panorama viewing area, the highest point you could go by vehicle. Nothing like waking up to a nice view and breathing the nice mountain air. Right, David? This used to be a prison. As I told you before, because of the volcano everybody died. Actually lied, there was one man who survived. That man was put in prison for being drunk and causing trouble. His cell was tiny, stone partially underground and contained only a tiny slit for air. I guess getting drunk and acting rowdy wasn't a bad idea after all. Saint-Pierre is known as the Paris of the Caribbean. It used to be very strong culturally and economically. After the disaster, Fort-de-France grew in economy importance and now it's the capital of the country. Overall, this magnifique French island is beautiful and clean, lot to see and experience. Yes, it's a little pricey, the restaurants and the hotels, but at least you avoid the haggle of people bothering you to buy things everywhere in the street. Thank you for watching this video and au revoir until next time.